Hey everybody, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic. This video I wanted to unbox a neato box that I just got at my doorstep. It's from Cotton Cuts, and this is an awesome subscription service where you get fabrics and notions right at your door, and on top of that, this club is doing something extra special that a percentage of each box's profit goes towards their Heart Builder Club, which is a group of makers all around that create quilts for various charities. Then on top of that, this club also is trying to actively create local jobs, which I think is super duper neato, and it's a little extra, and it's definitely the time to do a little extra if we're able to right now. So I wanted to unbox this box. I'm super duper excited because I'll wait till you can see it. Dun, da, da, da. I have opened the box. This is a neato logo. Like, let me let you see this up close. Like, that logo is just really, really cool. Like, I can see that like as a tattoo, not on me because I'm like actively getting my tattoos removed. Like, don't make the mistake if you're 18 and 19. Make sure you really want it on your body. But let me unbox this. Ooh, King Helen is gonna be jazzed. The card, there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. There sure are, actually. I try to keep a positive and happy outlook. I'm pretty successful most of the day, but if you really sit down and think about all the reasons that you have to be happy, there are so many out there. Look! Those are my fabrics that are in the box, my Love to Pieces collection. And then on top of that, I'm also their featured designer outside of fabric for like patterns and stuff. So I think I'm their first fabric slash pattern designer that they've had in one box, and I think that's super duper neato. This has some information about me. Look at that. That's a nice little headshot. I was all posed cute. And then in this box and in any Cotton Cut box, you have an option of picking one of the select PDF patterns on top of the fabric that you get. I think that's super duper neato. And then they have this Block of the Month bow tie. It's a color challenge that they have. Ooh, I love me some bow ties. And then this is a little color sheet for that. And then this is super exciting. I've always been a fan of this box ever since it was at a different name, just because of the quality and the notions and the heart that they have in it. It's just extra special. But look at this. Oh, my fabric is so cute. This is my fabric, and in this club there are two different variations. This one is a full yard, so you get 3 full yards of 3 different fabrics. And then they have a smaller box where you can get, I think it's a half yard or a fat quarter. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember, but there are 2 size options for you if you like the subscription service. But look at this. I'm not gonna take this out because I'm gonna take a photo of it, because I don't really have fabric that looks that cute very often. Then comes with an Aurifil spool. This, I believe, is a 50 weight. Ooh, let's get it up close. Pretty. And then this is probably my favorite part of these boxes, is that it's kind of like you can collect pencils. And this one, it says measure twice, cut once. Ain't that the truth? I know we've all been in a hurry before in a project and we're like, oh, we cut wrong. But I have like so many of these pencils and I absolutely love it. So in a nutshell, that is the Cotton Cuts subscription service. And that was an unboxing, pretty quick, but this is a super duper awesome, simple box where you get a couple notions, lots of fabric, you get access to at least one pattern, and they're doing extra special things out there. So if you're looking for some extra goodies to get shipped to your door, definitely check out Cotton Cuts. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.